Today we are going to learn about one more important JSP action tag, that is JSP include action tag. Okay, so what is the purpose of JSP include action tag? JSP include action tag, the main purpose of that is whenever the user requests something, so if we want to include with the request, if you want so user request to the index.jsp page, so from the index.jsp we need some response, and we want also from the another resource. For example, it may be HTML JSP or servlet. From that of resource it should collect some output, and it will embedded means it will merge the output of the index.jsp and forward to that response will send back to the client. Okay, that is the whole purpose of the JSP include tag. So how we can going to achieve that? Okay, as usual, like I have created the JSP include action tag folder structure. So in the inside the index.jsp, what I'll do, I'll write here just welcome to site. So this is the header. Okay, and inside the body I just want to include the another resource output. Okay, so for that what I'll write JSP colon include, JSP colon include, then page is equals to for example, we want to do some operation, right? This page will load at the time of request, so better it should give like whenever there is a requirement of dynamic content, so we can so for the dynamic and static both scenario it will work, but it is best suitable whenever there is a chance that we may get dynamic content. So whenever there is a necessary for the dynamic content, then at that time we should use this JSP include page. So we want okay, let me think like what should we give. Okay, we just want to print the time. Okay, so take the page name as display time, display time dot JSP. Okay, so this should be the page. Okay, and this is the include page. After this will be printed, and this will give the dynamic content, and after that I just want to print one more thing, like this one percentage is means expression tag. I just want to print uh, some content mean the sense like please. So after the response we got display time.jsp, the time we got, then we want to add another content out of that. Okay, please visit again. Visit some dummy code, right? So display.jsp will create another display.jsp page. Okay, so before that let me close this one, the expression tag. Okay, expression tag will close, and here I will create one file, new file, expression display time.jsp. Here I will copy this HTML code and will change accordingly. So this body and here this one I will change. So I want current current time. Current time is equals to, what is that current time? New new date. So if I take new date, then what we have to do? We have to include like import that tag. Okay, for that import we have studied, right? Page directive, page attribute, right? So angular bracket percentage and then at the rate, then one space page, then import is equals to, what is that? Java dot util package. Okay, java dot util dot date. Okay, this is the package, and after that we will should close this tag. Okay, this will import the class, and this will print the current time. Okay, this is the index.jsp. Okay, now what I have done is, like, I am printing this one, and it will include this display.time. Display.time will give the current time, and after that time is we got, then this will line will be printed. Okay, so better I will take one br kind of thing. Okay, one line break. Okay, fine. So let me Let me run this one. Tomcat include. So this is JSP include action tag. Okay, apply, run. Now the application is deployed. So let me take the context path and let me try to hit that. This one slash index dot JSP. Okay. Okay, as you have seen, like welcome to Prakash IT. This is the first line of the index.jsp, and this is the display time JSP page. This is displaying the current time and next please visit again. Uh, this is the last line output. Okay, so what we have learned here, so what it is doing, it is including this information, right? The dynamic information it is including while at the time of request. Okay, so whenever the request comes here, this line is printed and it is included this response, and finally this line is printing. So that is the job of the include JSP include action tag. Okay, so in the previous class, we have studied the for how we can use JSP forward action tag, and in this video we have completed JSP include action tag. Okay, I hope both the videos are clear to everybody. So we'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.